and open. Does anybody have any idea what? Make a prediction.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I think yeah.
Oh, it's like I think it's like a grinder or something.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't know.
probably a
Makes food or
grinder.
something. And then something comes through here.
I think I know.
Wait.
Like so, like you put like
Yeah,
something
I think
in
it's a
there,
grinder.
and then what you do, like you turn it around, and then like goes like in little pieces, and then it
Yeah,
goes into
so
the
it's
ball.
kind of like a grinder.
Okay.
It's just new vintage.
But you don't use electricity.
All right.
I think it's a coffee maker. What the poop is this? Maybe a. What is this? Is it like a? Wait, how does this look? Is it a grinder for something? It looks like some type. I think it's some type of tea maker. Or maybe a butter charge. I don't know. It's like
Maybe you can grind something with it, and that's what that little slot is for. So then you can
wait,
take
which
it
way
out.
do you have to turn it? Does that matter?
No, it doesn't matter if it's what everybody's thinking.
All right.
Just
Let me
old
give the
people
table
dust.
3.
That little slot thingy, and you put in the cream, and then you mix the cream, and the butter comes out here. Or maybe it's just a jewelry box that you turn.
Make some butter.
Could butter actually like go in
not
here? Cooking it up. Like aluminum or something?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's a cuckoo clock. Like one of those jewelry boxes or something. Then you could turn it. Is there something?
It's old people stuff.
No, it's not.
It is. It's old people stuff.
It's ancient.
Ancient history. Ancient history.
Because it looks like one of those things that you use to grind corn, but I don't know.
Looks like to grind chocolate.
Maybe you mix chocolate.
Yeah.
All right.
To make
I just thought chocolate.
to make Nesquik. I know, right? That's right.
So this machine, this little box here, some of you are on the right path with it being a grinder. This is a coffee bean grinder, and it grinds coffee beans
So it makes coffee.
to make coffee. Absolutely. You think it still works?
Yeah.
Of course it does.
Can we try it out?
Maybe.
I will try it out.
Let's estimate.